What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Once again, I'm your friendly neighborhood cryptocurrency guy, Crypto Nev. Today we're taking a look at a Palm Tungsten E system. These are meant to be very rugged, very heavy systems. And I don't have the charger for this one. I got it for the song. So I'm going to do a teardown on it. I believe that this came with it naturally, 1 gigabyte. And the stylus, nice and heavy, nice and heavy. So, I got some Torx screws on the back. You all know how much I love my Phillips head screws, but I guess Torx screws will do it too. Wherever works. I'm just glad they're not security Torx. Damn, I've seen enough security Torx. Anti-tamper Torx. Pain in the butt Torx. Come on. Go. Alright, let's see how easy of an off this is. Come on. Did I miss one? You know, sometimes I like to put one underneath. Say, well, there we go. What? Is a screw from the other side? Come on, don't do this to me. Oh. I'm taking something out here. Things are starting to fall apart. Let's see if I just brute force it. Hiya! Just like that. Boom! Open. I'm surprised it came out in so many pieces. The back piece doesn't actually feel like it's metal at all. It feels like, what do they call that, spun plastic or something like that. So here's the inside. Man, this thing has definitely seen better days. Oh, Texas Instruments, very nice. What do we have under here? In a sec, let's see if I can clean that off at all. Not really. Seems to be the main chip right there. I wonder if that was, no, that was just a sticker. That's definitely not a thermal thing. They definitely don't get that onto, move the thermals. Just one sec, sorry. Alright, let's get a closer look. You know, I think I just popped this thing right out. And it just popped right out. Just like that. I bet that pops right off like that. Oh, geez, that's interesting. I actually use these little tape-on buttons. I didn't think they would do that. I wonder if they're actually taped on with, well, at least they're taped on with some kind of proprietary tape. I've seen them put on with masking tape. Oh yeah, let's see if I can get to read what that says. I'll just read it out to you. Actually, I can't. Seem to have cleaned the, it's, oh wait. Infineon? Infineon HY B39 L256160 AT 7.5. Texas Instruments. Let's take a look at what's under the battery. It looks like the battery is plugged up a bit. No, I don't want to move that actually. Let's take a look at what's up there. So yeah, how much of it is actually? It says tungsten, but this is plastic. This is plastic. This is spun metal at best. That's interesting. Call it tungsten and then just make the whole thing plastic. It's kind of plastic that feels cool like metal though, so if you had it in your hand, you'd be like, yes, that's definitely metal. I think the only real metal thing here is probably the stylus. Yep, well that's how she goes. That's how she goes. Sometimes she goes, sometimes she doesn't go. She didn't go. Yeah, that's it for me. Like and subscribe if you like teardowns. Lord knows I do. And have a good one, folks. Bye-bye.